morning everyone. So, all my kids are eagerly waiting for their fun sheet class to begin. Yes? Very nice. Now today, as every day we do something new and interesting, today again I am going to teach you about something with which we come across every day. Yes, हम daily इन चीजों से इनको देखते हैं and I know all my dear learners, they are very much aware about all these things. Okay, so what's the topic for the day? The topic for the day is healthy fruits. Yes. Acha, before moving towards these fruits, tell me something. How many of you actually love to eat fruits? या कोई मम्मा को डांटना पड़ता है, fruits नहीं खाते, vegetables नहीं खाते हो, how will you grow? Keep on saying ना, मम्मा ऐसे ही बोलती रहती है, and many of you don't do that. But today I am going to tell you why it is important to eat these fruits, and we are also going to discuss about the taste. What is a taste and how these different fruits have different taste. Okay, so let's begin with our today's class then. Before moving, can anyone tell me what is the day today? As I have already told you, there are 7 days in a week. So which day is today? Tuesday. Yes. So today is Tuesday and the date is 6th July 2021. And today in fun sheet, we are going to do the topic healthy fruits. Clear? Now, first, what is healthy? First, we will understand our topic. पहले हम अपने topic को समझेंगे. What is the meaning of healthy? Healthy होता है जिसको खाने से हमें health मिलती है. We get strong, we get energy, and we become strong. Clear? अब see, you are small children. You all are small. You keep on playing, running here and there and everywhere. सारे घर में भागते रहते हैं. So you need lot of energy for this, isn't it? अब वो energy कहाँ से आती है? We get that energy from whatever we eat. हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं या आप जूस पीते हो तो वो एनर्जी मिलती है आपको उस खाने से, जूस से, मिल्क से, फ्रूट से. तो जो भी आप खाते हो वो जो खाना है वो क्या करता है? आपको बहुत सारी एनर्जी देता है और वो एनर्जी आपको प्ले करने में, पढ़ाई करने में, वर्क करने में, हर जगह help करते हैं. Even when you go to the park, whenever you ride your bicycle, so you need this energy and this energy is given by healthy food. ठीक है? और वो healthy होते हैं जो हमें अच्छी energy देते हैं. So this is the meaning of healthy. Now come fruits. You all know what are fruits? Fruits are those things which we eat without cooking them. खाना क्या होता है? अब मम्मी चपाती बनाती है, रोटी बनाती है, मम्मा वेजिटेबल सब्जियां बनाती हैं, वो मम्मा कुक करती है. पहले मम्मा उनको मार्केट से लाके सारे वेजिटेबल्स को वॉश करके कट करती है एंड देन शी कुक. बट इफ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ दीज फ्रूट्स, व्हाट मम्मा डू? मम्मा शी ब्रिंग्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट, she wash them thoroughly and she keeps in the basket. And whenever you want to eat, pick one, wash it again. क्योंकि वो वॉश करने के बाद रख देते हैं तो रखे हुए पे फिर जर्म्स आ जाते हैं. So pick them up, keep them at a place, wash it again. Not at a place. Pick it up, wash it again, and just cut and eat. कट करने का काम मम्मा से कराना है. Clear? So like this, we eat lot of fruits every day. Now, fruits again they give us lot of energy, and there are so many fruits we have. So now I am going to discuss, identify these fruits. You are going to tell me the name one by one. Ma'am is going to write the name, and then we will see. We will discuss about the taste of these fruits as well. Clear everyone? So now what you have to do, you are going to open open your books on page number, I'll just tell you, 18. Yes, on page number 18 you will find picture of these fruits. So now what am I going to do? I am going to first let you understand these fruits. Okay? So class, let's start identifying these fruits now. The first one is this. As we all know, summer season is going on and we can see lot of different varieties of this fruit in the market. So which fruit is this? Mango. Yes, and do you know mango is king of fruits and mango is also our national fruit. हाँ जी, मैंगो क्या है? फलों का राजा होता है. So this is mango. Clear? Now after mango, we have something here very small. So what are these? They are green in color. So can anyone tell me the color of mango? Yellow color. Yes. So what is this? Green in color. What do you call it? Yes class, tell me quickly. These are grapes. Very nice. So we will write grapes. Now what's this? A fruit which is having some pines on it. जब आप उसको टच करते हो तो वो आपको स्किन पे चुभता है and it has a crown like this. So which fruit is this? Pineapple. Yes. So the name of this fruit is pineapple. Clear? Now comes this. Wow, we have already learned about it. A fruit which is green from outside, red from inside, having black seeds. Watermelon, again a fruit that comes in summer. Watermelon. Clear? Okay. Now what are these? Small, red in color and they are very sweet in taste. Very sweet in taste. Sometimes we use them on the cakes also. जब आप केक देखते हैं ना, if you cut a cake, तो केक पे भी लगी होती है. What are these? Quickly tell me. Yes, cherry. These are cherries. And what's it? थोड़ा big होता है, yellow in color, and when you will cut, it has many seeds in it. So it is papaya. Clear? What is this? It's papaya. So not only these class, there are many fruits we have. If you will go to the market, you will find lychee, guava, pomegranate, apple. So n number of fruits we have. Banana we have. Now all these fruits, they have different taste. हर fruit का अपना taste होता है. For example, mango. Mango is very sweet in taste, but sometimes it's sweet and sour. Sweet मतलब मीठा होता है और sour होता है खट्टा. ठीक है? जब आप कभी कुछ खट्टी चीज खाते हो, for example lemon. जब आप कभी lemon खाते हो तो आपको खट्टा लगता है ना? So there are two types of taste. We have sweet and sour. So the sweet is मीठा and sour is खट्टा. ठीक है? अब जब आप mango खाते हो, it's very sweet in taste. Then again watermelon, sweet in taste. Then we have learnt about cherries. Cherries भी बहुत मीठी होती हैं. इनको तो हम केक्स पे भी यूज करते हैं, isn't it? Then if we talk of pineapple, आपने कभी pineapple खाया है? अनानास. जब हम उसको कट करके खाते हैं, वो खट्टा लगता है. When you touch it on your tongue, वो खट्टा लगता है. If you have ever tasted a lemon, lemon कैसा होता है? नींबू खट्टा होता है ना? कभी आप नींबू का छोटा सा 1 drop of lemon ना अपनी टंग पे रखना, ऐसे खट्टा सा लगेगा आपको. So that is sour. So there are some fruits, those are sweet in taste. There are some sour in taste. अब grapes हैं. Grapes are sweet and sour as well. So we call them sweet and sour in taste. खट्टे मीठे होते हैं. Then if we talk of papaya. Papaya is sweet in taste. Then we have muskmelon, sweet in taste. Pomegranate, again it is sweet in taste. Apple, sweet in taste. Banana, sweet in taste. So बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं जो sweet होते हैं और बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं जो sour होते हैं. And there are many fruits that are sweet and sour in taste. समझ में आ गया आपको? Okay. Now what work we are going to do in your book? There are some pictures of fruits that we are going to color first, and on the next page some more pictures are given. There we will identify the fruits as sweet, meetha, and sour, khatta. Is that clear? So today we are going to do work. I'll write here book pages. Page number 18 will be your classwork and 20 will be your homework. So इसके बीच में जो 19 page number है that we will do in next class on Thursday. आज Tuesday को अभी we'll learn about fruits and in the next class we'll go with vegetables. Okay? So everyone open your book on page number 18 and please keep your colors ready with you. Okay? So class, now when you will open your fun sheet book on page number 18, you will find pictures of some fruits here. Can you see them all? Like this. Now first thing we are going to do is we will write today's date. So what's the date today? 6th July 2021, and after writing the date mention classwork also. Okay, this is your classwork. Understood class? So fruits make us healthy. I told you that. Now color the fruits with many seeds and cross the fruit with one seed. Now as discussed, we have fruits with many seeds and one seed. So we are going to first color those fruits which have many seeds. आप देख रहे हैं जब हम मैंगो खाते हैं क्या मैंगो में many seeds होते हैं? No, we have only one seed. So we will not color mango here. Clear? Then we have watermelon. So watermelon is the fruit that have many seeds. We all can see that here, isn't it? So let's color this watermelon. So first we'll take this green color to color this outer shell. बाहर से green होता है ना हमारा watermelon. So like this you will color this one using your green color. और ये इसमें ये वाला पार्ट ग्रीन करेंगे because this is again the shell part. Understood? Now we will take red color for this pulpy part. Okay? Now for this pulpy part we'll take this red color and we'll use red color here like this. So watermelon has many seeds. We have colored this fruit. Okay? Now move on to the next. We have cherry. Do cherry have many seed or one seed? So cherry is a fruit that has one little seed in it. That means we will not color this cherry also. Then comes lychee. You all must have eaten lychees as this lychee fruit also comes in summer season. So whenever you peel it, ये ऊपर का red color का थोड़ा सा not actually proper red, ये थोड़ा सा mix pink and red color की shell होती है. We peel it off तो अंदर से white color का off white color का fleshy part होता है, the one which we enjoy eating. और उसके अंदर क्या होता है? One single seed होती है. Again this fruit is having one seed. तो the fruit with one seed we are not going to color. Okay, that means no mango, no cherry and no lychee. Now comes pomegranate. What is pomegranate? अनार. अब अनार में तो बहुत सारे दाने होते हैं, नहीं? अनार में बहुत सारे दाने होते हैं, तो this fruit pomegranate has many seeds. So again, when we are talking of pomegranate is red in color. अब इसके जो हम दाने खाते हैं उनके अंदर सभी में छोटे छोटे बीज से होते हैं, isn't it? So pomegranate is a fruit that has many seeds. इसके जो दाने होते हैं वही इसकी seeds होती हैं. Okay, so we eat seeds of these pomegranate. अनार के दाने. So pomegranate is red in color. I am taking this red color and I am coloring this pomegranate. Now next we have is papaya. तो जब मैम आपको पपाया के बारे में बता रहे थे, I told you that this papaya fruit, when you will cut this fruit na, it has many seeds in it. This papaya fruit has many seeds. So again we are going to color papaya. Now for coloring papaya you need yellow color and orange. Why? Because some part of it is yellow. Most of the color of this fruit is yellow. जो बाहर का शेल होता है, वो बाहर का जो पील होता है, और कुछ जगह वो ऑरेंज होता है. So we'll use both the colors. But first हम बेस में ऐसे ये वाला येलो कलर करेंगे. It's not bright yellow, ये dull yellow है. So you will use this color only. Like this we'll color papaya using yellow color. And after that take your orange color and give some shades of it like this. So this is papaya. Now what we have done, we have colored the fruits with many seeds. अभी हमने ये किया है ना. Now we have to cross the fruit with one seed. अब जो one seed वाले fruits हैं उनको हमें cross out भी करना है. So for this what we will do, we will take brown color. You can take any color actually. So I am taking this brown color. We will put a cross on mango because it has one seed. Cherry again has one seed. We will put a cross. Lychee also have one seed, so we will put a cross like this. Is that clear? So this is how you will do your today's classwork. And page number 20 is your today's homework. So here what you will do, color the fruits that are sweet, cross out that are sour. तो जो sweet हैं आपको सिर्फ उन्हें ही color करना है. So put a date like this and mention homework. Understood? तो जो स्वीट फ्रूट्स हैं आप उन्हें कलर करेंगे, सॉर को नहीं. बनाना स्वीट, लेमन सॉर, वाटरमेलन स्वीट, एप्पल स्वीट, ग्रेप्स स्वीट एंड सॉर, पाइनएप्पल सॉर. यू हैव मास्क मेलन, खरबूजा अगेन स्वीट, टैमरिंड इमली खट्टी होती है, पपाया स्वीट. सो जस्ट कलर देम नाउ. Your today's learning about fruits, where we have learnt about many fruits. We have seen that how these fruits are good for us because they provide us energy. They are sweet in taste, they are sour in taste, and we should always eat at least one fruit every day. I am not saying eat all the fruits, but if you are a good boy, good girl and you want to be healthy and full of energy, then it is always advised to eat one fruit every day. So from today, all of you promise me that you are going to eat one fruit every day. Clear everyone? Bye for now. Finish your work and don't forget to share your work with me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, enjoy your learning, be home and be safe. Take care.